In this video, I'm going to show you the Campark DC35 dashcam, and I'm going to show you what's inside the box, and towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you the video quality that you can get from this camera. So stay tuned. So this camera is a dual 1080p Full HD for the quality of the video. Inside and outside records the 1080p. It does have the G sensor lock parking monitor, so when you park your car somewhere, you can set the option to record while the car is parked. It does have the loop recording, so that's a basic function for any dashcam that you want to look for. Loop recording basically means ran out of the space on your memory card. It will start recording from the beginning and overlap on the recorded videos from the past. This one supports up to 256 gigabytes of memory. So I usually use the 64 or maybe 128. That's enough for maybe 20 minutes of recording, and it just loops over and over and over. This camera also equipped with GPS, so it will track your movement on the map and shows where you've been, and it records the GPS data as well. Let's go ahead and open the box. There's just two boxes inside. Should be. This is actually the camera itself. I'm gonna show that in a bit. Yeah, and we have the cables. This is the mounting that you can connect it to the windshield. We have the cables and the power connector. It is pretty relatively small that I was expecting, but it should be a decent size. So we have, if you put it this way, this is the front camera. Let me just peel that off real quick. And there's another one in the back. This one is equipped with infrared, so it shows very clear picture at nights as well. On top, we have the connection to the mount, and this one is for the power. On the bottom, just to control the device, and there's a memory card slot underneath. This is the GPS device on the mount. Let's go ahead and mount this dashcam in the car to see the video quality and the functions of this dashcam. Okay, so I just mounted the dashcam just to see the video quality and show you the menu and the options. Just for the sake of this video, just attach it like this. Okay, so it automatically powers on. I installed the SD card on the bottom. There's a 32 gigabytes of memory that I've installed. The screen is 1.5 inch. We have the camera for the inside, which is equipped with infrared, so you can see better at nights. The field of view is 170 degrees for the front and 146 for inside the cabin. Loop recording, so that means your file is going to be separated every minute, every 2 minutes, every 3 minutes, or every 5 minutes. And then we have the resolution. You can select the 1080 Full HD, or you can select the 720p. It does have the option to record the audio, so you can turn it on or off. G sensor. So G sensor, right now it's on low. So if the accident happens, it will lock down the file, so you're not going to lose that video. Parking monitor. So when you leave your car parked, it will be activated. Right now it's off because I don't want my car to use the battery while I'm not driving. It might drain the battery. And then I'm going to show you guys the quality during the day and the quality when you drive during the night. As you can see, this is the quality of the video inside the cabin and outside. And this is the audio you are hearing from the inside, from the mic of this dashcam. I'm just testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, just to see how the audio quality sounds from the inside. And this is the quality that you can expect at nights. The infrared makes inside the cabin brighter, so you can see what's going on inside the cabin as well, and you see the front too. Okay, now if you want to see the GPS tracking data, you just need to download the GPS player that they have on their website. You download this software, and when you open it, you have this map right here. So in terms, if you want to see the GPS tracking data, you need to open the video file that you recorded. So let's see, if I use this one, and when you play it, it actually shows you the tracking information here on the map. So the GPS data is already embedded into the videos itself. So every time you just need this player to show the data and where you started and what was the destination for that video specifically. It shows you the speed that you had and pretty much all the information you need for the tracking.